Microsoft Edge says, well, I'm going to do something stupid here. We'll see. Okay, we're now live on YouTube. And I'm looking at Mr. Salas. It's regular probation, I am told.
No, deferred, Your Honor.
Deferred, thank you.
And the bench is muted. If Gil can unmute it.
Gil, can you unmute the bench, please?
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Salas, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Hold on a minute. Let me pull up your paperwork. Okay, I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, let's see here. All right, Mr. Salas, is your name Jesus Salas, first of all?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Jesus Salas when this cause number 62948, who is currently on deferred adjudication for obstruction of a highway in this cause number? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On my screen, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video Hearing, and you've signed it electronically. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification on Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty on your deferred adjudication case, you understand that you have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me sign this document. Give me 1 minute. Okay, hold on. Okay. The reason you're here is because you're on a deferred adjudication for obstruction of a highway, and there's been a motion to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty of that offense because it's alleged you violated a condition of your probation. Could I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation?
Yes, Judge. Condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jesus Onesimo Salas did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of October 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
And to that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides any kind of plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Judge, there is. The defendant would be revoked and adjudicated guilty and sentenced to a $0 fine plus court costs, 16 days Bexar County jail, credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and for the judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Goins?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Salas?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Salas, the court having heard your plea of true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I hereby adjudicate you guilty of the underlying offense of obstruction of a highway. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 16 days in the Bexar County jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you when that'll happen exactly, but it should be sometime today. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'll be excused, Your Honor.
You can be excused, Mr. Goins. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sit down. Who did you need next?
I think they're still in with their clients. I don't think anyone else is ready.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
I need a lot of catch up and a lot of signing here.
Yes, sir.
So tell me when you need me to pull my head out of the hole of the ground that I'm in.
Okay.
I was going to say something else. You thought I was going to say something, but I didn't.
Okay, I'm gonna let Mr. Serna in. Cesar Serna.
Hey, Caesar. Good to see you, man.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Do you have an offer in your case?
We do, Your Honor.
Okay. Can we put Mr. Sedna in a breakout room with his
Yes,
client?
Mr. Serna, I'm gonna put you into, your client should be there shortly.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. If you could put Jesus Valles, please, into deputy.
Bias.
We got him. This one's next. You,
Okay.
What's your
What's
name?
going on?
you're next.
Who is next?
I believe
Bias.
Valles.
Valles.
Valles. That's Mr. Sedna. He's got two cases. Is he pleading on both cases, Mr.
He is,
Sedna?
Your Honor.
Okay. Let me see if I have two sets of paperwork. Hold on.
That was quick.
Well, I don't think the paperwork is done on.
Yeah,
on
I don't have
Tuesday.
any paperwork on him.
Yeah, I was
Mr.
going to
Sherman,
mention, I signed off on the discovery, but we don't have any.
I
Yeah,
sent
we
you-
can't do this without the plea paperwork being signed to. You have to explain it to him and he's got to sign it.
Yeah, Mr.
So-
Sherman, I sent you a reminder to the top of your email this morning. You should have it at the top of your email. Are we going on both cases? Because I sent reminders on both.
Get some gloves.
Yes, we are,
Okay,
but I didn't get any plea paperwork though.
it should be at the top of your email. I sent it to Caesar@cernacerna.com.
Yeah, I don't have any plea paperwork. I signed off on the okay, here, and I got it right now.
Okay, got it. Excellent.
Yeah.
So just fill those out and have your client sign. And you should have to go back to the breakout room and go over the paperwork.
Okay,
Can you send a reminder to the court?
On which ones?
Well, no, as soon as the attorney does it, deputy, it'll go to the jail.
Right.
So as soon
Okay.
as Mr.
So, Mr.
Serna-
Sedna, you,
It needs to go back to the breakout room, yes.
Right.
Okay,
okay,
Okay.
Mr. Saldivar, you have another case on Anthony
Yes, Judge.
Green.
Should be ready, Judge.
And you're already on that? Let me see if I can find it.
Yes.
Hold on. Okay, can we get Mr. Green in front of the camera, please? Deputy,
Mr. Green's right here.
okay.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Mr. Green, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sir.
Okay. Put your hand down, please. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Anthony Green?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Anthony Green who in this cause number 715-493, who's charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. we don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this document as well. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides any kind of plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anybody
No, sir.
promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it? There is.
Yes, Judge, there is. It is a $0 fine plus court cost, 15 days Bexar County jail, credit for time served. We'd ask time and money run concurrent, and the judge would be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Saldivar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Green, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 15 days in the Bexar County jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when that'll be, but it should be sometime today. Okay, good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Saldivar. You may be excused.
Okay, Mr. Arnett should be ready with Gallero's judge.
Okay,
Judge, we're ready.
Mr. Arnett, hold on. Mr. Galleros, okay. Caesar, I see you, but I don't see any paperwork on the screen on your guy.
Yeah, Judge, I'm just working. There's 2 cases. I'm working that out, but I need to be put into a breakout room with my client as well.
You can move yourself back to 2. Caesar, just go to the 3 buttons. on
Yeah,
more.
join breakout. Okay, got
Yes,
it.
You
Thank-
got it.
Okay, now I'm doing Galleros. Let me pull up his paperwork. Mr. Galleros, please raise your right hand. Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, is your name Anthony Galleros?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Anthony Galleros who in this cause number 714-452, who is charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed electronically. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Looking at another document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at another document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it electronically as well. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that this court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge, there is. It is a $0 fine plus court cost, 29 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served. We'd ask time, money, run concurrent, and the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Arnett?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Calleros?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Calleros, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 29 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when, but it should be sometime today. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you. Okay.
Thanks, Judge. You guys have a good rest of your
Okay,
day.
you can be excused, Mr. Arnett. Thank you.
We'll send it back.
Send it back. Calleros.
Okay,
Calleros.
so I'm waiting. We need Mr. Tochi to sign in.
Yes,
Terry,
Judge.
you've been calling him, or?
Yes, Judge. I've called his law office, Judge, and they know they're trying to get a hold of him to log in, Judge. I told him he needed to log in ASAP. So they're looking for him, Judge. I called the law
Okay.
office.
I'm clearing a lot of stuff from last week that was signed but wasn't trashed. I don't know.
Well, Judge, I just got an email from Jim Toshi to give his case away to somebody, Judge. So let me find out who the
Okay.
attorney today is and work from there. I'll get
Okay.
back to you.
In the meantime, I'm signing my life away. Somewhere in here is the deed to my house, I'm sure. And I'll be homeless here in a minute.
Hopefully you're signing it over to me.
You're so gritty about that. I can't believe you're so gritty. God. But you get the 4 dogs along with it, you know. You
I'll
might
take the
regret
dog.
that.
Give me
No,
the perros.
you don't want these dogs and the cat. Most finicky cat in the world. This is so funny. My wife was taking a bath and the cat is fascinated with water. And the cat was watching her and she slipped and fell in the tub. My wife says that the cat went bananas. Luckily, she did get scratched to death.
Oh, my goodness.
But it's a weird cat. What can I say? Of course, the dogs are weird too. So my wife is away in Vegas spending all her money. God. Oh, I get it. Judge Leela was here and she didn't know how to handle this stuff. That's what went on, right?
Right, she was here Friday, Judge, so she
Yeah.
probably didn't clear up some stuff.
No, she didn't clear any of it.
Yeah.
She didn't know how.
Yeah, she didn't know how. But she did a great job.
Did she?
Yes. She was.
Well, then next time you tell her, you see her, tell her Judge Canales said, next time clear all your paperwork.
Well, she's gonna hear you since you're on YouTube.
That's right. We're live on YouTube, right?
Yeah, you're gonna.
Maybe I
have
should be
to-
sharing my screen.
You need to, I think you have to clear out the recordings. You may want to ask Judge Shelton how to do all that.
I have no idea how to do that.
Yeah, yes, I believe, you need to get with Judge Shelton with that.
I'm not sure he's going to be too
I know, but I'm sure it'll be nice.
receptive on that.
Nice.
What happens if I don't clear out the recordings?
I don't know. He used to do it all the time.
I'll just leave them on there. Somebody wants to clear them out, they can learn how to clear them out. I'd like to keep myself, for centuries on these recordings.
Yeah.
Canales will be around forever on YouTube.
Judge Karen Corby's logging in for Mr. Lutz.
Okay.
She wants to go straight into a breakout room with Jonathan as soon as she gets on, Judge, so she can talk about it, see what the offer is. I'm sending her the e-documents now in the Zoom link.
Okay. Okie doke. I'm still signing my life away here.
Karen, you can go to 4. Jonathan will be there to confer with you.
Now, what I want to know is how come Judge Zeta gets to do this by Zoom and I have to drive all the way down here to do it? Huh?
No comiences, Canales. No.
Okay. All right. Come on.
Don't be
Alright.
stirring that pot.
Okay. Now I got a Marcos Trevino thing on here. That's on the
I don't
dates.
know, but that's a good question. I would ask someone.
Yeah. ¿Por
Ask the
qué?
powers that be.
So we only have one guy in the PR bonds.
Mr. Serna's out, Judge.
Okay, and he's got his paperwork on Valles. Okay. Mr. Valles,
Yes, sir.
let me get your paperwork on my screen just 1 minute.
Jonathan's still conferring with Karen, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Valles, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Jesus Valles?
Yes.
Are you the same Jesus Valles who in this cause number 707-408 who's charged with the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Yes.
Are you also the same Jesus Valles who in cause number 689680 who in that cause number is also charged with the same offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon in that case?
Yes, sir.
Both these cases are Class A misdemeanors, and it's possible in each one of these cases that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have filed in both cases and you have signed in both cases. When you signed these documents, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at another document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this document in both cases. You have signed this document in both cases, and your attorney has signed it in both cases. Did you go over this document with your attorney in both cases?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And again, you have filed this in both cases. You have signed it in both cases. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me in both these cases that you understand that if your attorney gets a plea bargain for you, and if I follow that plea bargain, you understand you will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, in cause number 707-408, in that cause number to the offense of unlawful carrying, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
In cause number 69, in the other cause number 689680, in that cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
You're doing these pleas in both these cases of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? If it's the same, you can recite it once, otherwise recite it separately.
Excuse me?
Judge, it's different on each case. The one
Okay,
for cause number 707-408 is a $0 fine plus court cost, 154 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time money rendered concurrent, and for the judgment to be satisfied. And judge,
Okay.
for the other case, it's 4 days,
okay.
but it's still
And
JSAT.
it's satisfied as well, right?
Yes, Judge.
That's our
Is that your
understanding, Your Honor.
understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Mr. Sedna?
It is, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Valles?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Valles, in cause number 707-408, and that cause number, the court accepts your plea, no contest. I find you guilty in that plea. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 154 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served. Time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, now I got to pull up the other case. So hold on, be patient with me for just a minute. Okay. Pulling up the paperwork. Now I've got to fill out the paperwork on this case. Okay, so then in cause number 689680, where you're charged with unlawful carrying, in that case, the court, having heard your plea of no contest in that case, the court does find you guilty in that case. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 4 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. Are there any motions to destroy the weapons in these cases, Mr. Alvarado?
Yes, Judge, we would motion the court to destroy the weapon in both cases.
No objection, Judge.
Okay, I've already did the previous case, but so then Susan, can you please check mark the box on the other case that the weapon's going to be destroyed in the other case?
Yes, sir, I will.
No, thank you. All right. If these are the only cases holding you, Are these the only cases holding him, Caesar?
Judge, he's already been adjudicated in a case. Well, he's been placed on deferred out of the 186. So he's just waiting for safety now.
Okay, so he's still going to be held then on the safety hold, right?
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, well, these cases no longer hold you. So these cases are over with, but the other stuff is going to hold you until that's satisfied. All right? You understand that, Mr. Valles?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Good seeing
thank you, Caesar. It's good to see you.
Likewise. Good
Been a
seeing
long
you.
time.
Yeah, take
Bye-bye.
care.
Yeah.
Say hi to Walter for me.
I will. Thank you.
Okay, now,
And, Ms. Corby's in, with her last, with
with,
the client, with
okay,
Butts.
okay. And we only have one case on the PR bonds? Wow. That's incredible. Debbie Trans coming in. You want to let Debbie in? Okay, we'll let Debbie in. Come on. And
I let pre-trial in too, Judge.
okay. While we're waiting, we only have one case on the PR bonds. Can I take us off?